Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb focus mode on your iPhone. So maybe you've been missing some calls, maybe you've been missing some notifications, and one of the reasons might be because you are currently on Do Not Disturb. If you're on your lock screen here and you see Do Not Disturb down at the bottom, then there is a simple way to turn this off. So first thing you're going to want to do is you can check your settings. Some people might be able to turn it off within their settings. If you go into settings and then you scroll down to where you see focus mode and you tap into there, you may have an option to turn it off right within your settings here. So if you go, it says do not disturb, it's currently on, and I go in here. However, I don't have the ability to turn it off. So if this is what you are experiencing and you don't have the ability to turn it off within your settings, it's actually really simple to fix this. You're just going to scroll down from the top right hand corner, and this is going to bring up your control center. Then you are going to see this little option right here. It says do not disturb. So I can go ahead and long hold on this, and then it's going to give me my different options here. So I have some that I've already created myself, some of my focus modes here. What you're going to want to do is select the one that is basically by default, or the one that isn't going to be blocking any notifications. So I'm just going to be going to personal, and now I can go back and I see down here it says personal. So my do not disturb is off, and I will be receiving all of my notifications. I'll be able to get all my phone calls, all of that, and we are good to go. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.